Now children, the next point of energy flow is the ecological pyramid. Actually, ecological pyramid is nothing but it is a pictorial representation of ecological parameters. Pyramids are different type of relationship occur. Actually, pyramid shows different type of relationship that occur between various trophic level in different ecosystem. As this pyramid was discovered by Charles Elton. That's why it is also called as Eltonian pyramids. On the basis of name of the scientist, it is also named as this. And there are three basic pyramids. One is pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy. You all know, if we talking about the pyramid, means its structure is somehow like this, that upper end is pointed and lower is broader. This type of pyramid is called upright. It is not necessary that always the pyramid are upright. Sometimes the pyramid show inverted structure also. That is, the base is pointed and the upper border is broader. It is called inverted pyramid. And sometimes the pyramid are of spindle shape, means the base is pointed, the upper end is pointed, and the middle portion is broader. So it is called spindle pyramid. So these are the three pictorial representation how the pyramid are represented. Now we'll take one by one all these pyramid and we'll also study with the help of examples. So first we're going to take the pyramid of number. Now children, the next point of energy flow is the ecological pyramid. Actually, ecological pyramid is nothing but it is a pictorial representation of ecological parameters. Pyramids are different type of relationship occur. Actually, pyramid shows different type of relationship that occur between various trophic level in different ecosystem. As this pyramid was discovered by Charles Elton. That's why it is also called as Eltonian pyramids. On the basis of name of the scientist, it is also named as this. And there are three basic pyramids. One is pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy. You all know, if we talking about the pyramid, means its structure is somehow like this, that upper end is pointed and lower is broader. This type of pyramid is called upright. It is not necessary that always the pyramid are upright. Sometimes the pyramid show inverted structure also. That is, the base is pointed and the upper border is broader. It is called inverted pyramid. And sometimes the pyramid are of spindle shape, means the base is pointed, the upper end is pointed, and the middle portion is broader. So it is called spindle pyramid. So these are the three pictorial representation how the pyramid are represented. Now we'll take one by one all these pyramid and we'll also study with the help of examples. So first we're going to take the pyramid of number. Now the next one, children, is the pyramid of biomass. It is the total amount of fresh or dry weight of an organism present. Actually, the biomass include the dry weight where we excluded the moisture content. And the pyramid of biomass may be inverted or upright. For example, if we are taking an example of pyramid in an ocean ecosystem, if we are taking an example in ocean, then you will see that this is always inverted, that according to the weight, actually we are seeing this according to the weight. So the producer are planktons and their weight, they are numerous in number, that is true. But if we are taking weight in comparison to the small fishes, then or the zooplanktons, then this phytoplankton are smaller, are lesser in weight. Then according to weight, the zooplankton will be more in weight. Then small fishes will be more in weight, and then the large fishes will be more in weight. So the first trophic level, it is first trophic level, it is the second trophic level, it is the third trophic level, and it is the fourth trophic level. So according to the biomass of large fish is more in comparison to the biomass of small fish, and small fish biomass is more than that of zooplankton, and zooplankton biomass will be more than that of phytoplankton. So in ocean, the pyramid is always inverted. It is always inverted. But if we take an example of grassland, then here the pyramid is upright, because the number of grass and their weight will be more, because there are many grasses are grown in a small area, so their the weight is more. Then in comparison to that, the herbivore will be less. In comparison to that, the primary carnivores will be less. In comparison to that, the secondary carnivore will be less. This means fourth trophic level will less, third trophic level, second trophic level, and the producers. So in grassland, the pyramid of biomass will be always upright, whereas in ocean it is always inverted, upright. Okay, now we'll talk about the last pyramid, and that is pyramid of energy. We talk about the pyramid of energy. So we all know that energy flows in one direction, and this pyramid is always upright, whether it is of grassland and whether it is of terrestrial, whether it is of ocean. It is always upright, because suppose according to energy, this will be the shape of pyramid. At the basic level, there will be producer always. First trophic level will always be producer, and it will be more energy in this level, because this is the trophic level where they obtains energy directly from the sun, and then they utilize the energy and then passes to the next trophic level. So the energy in second trophic level will be less than that of producer. Means herbivore get less energy in comparison to the producer, and then primary carnivores will get less energy in comparison to herbivores, and then secondary carnivores will get less energy, and then tertiary carnivore will get very little amount of energy. This is the third trophic level, this is the fourth trophic level, and this is the fifth trophic level. And this is due to the transfer of energy law, that is 10% law, that was given by Lindman. Lindman given the 10% law, and according to this law, the whatever energy is present at producer level, only 10% of it is passes to the next level. So suppose if we are saying that the energy which is available to the producer level is 10%, 1000 joule, then this energy, whatever energy is utilized, is that only 10% of this energy will pass to the herbivores. Means only 100 joule is passes to the herbivores, and from herbivores only 10 joule will passes to the primary carnivores, and from primary carnivores only 1 joule will passes to the secondary carnivores, and from this only 0.1 joule will be passes to the tertiary carnivores. Means only 10% energy is passes from producer to herbivores, from herbivores to primary carnivores to secondary carnivores, and from secondary carnivores to tertiary carnivores. And that is why it is same for ocean or for grassland or for forest. So energy pyramid is always upright, and this is the one reason why there are limited trophic level in any ecosystem. That is, there are only 4 or 5 trophic level will be present in any ecosystem, because this much energy, if it is passes to the 6th, then only 10% of it will pass, and it will insufficient for that organism to sustain its life. So in any ecosystem, there are only 4 or 5 trophic level will be present, and not more than this trophic level will present, and this is due to the energy transfer. Now we have studied all the 3 pyramids, that is pyramids of number, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of energy. Pyramid of number may be upright, inverted or spindle shape. Pyramid of biomass may be inverted or upright, but pyramid of energy is always upright. This is one thing that pyramid. Now children, we have studied about the 3 type of pyramids. That is pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of energy. That is, we have studied all the 3 ecological pyramid. Now there are some limitations which deal with this ecological pyramid, and the limitation is that it never take into account the same species belonging to 2 trophic level. That is, in this ecological pyramid, human is not included. Other organisms that can occupy one or more than one place, then they are not included in these ecological pyramids. The second thing, the pyramid is based on the simple food chain, and we all know that simple food chain does not exist in nature. The third one is saprophyte and decomposer not given any position, though they play a very important role in the mineral cycle, but these does not have any place in the ecological pyramid. And the last one is that the trophic level is represented functional level. Here they are not represent the species. So these are the 4 limitations that is of ecological pyramids. So this is the way how the energy flow. Ecological pyramid is also a subcomponent of energy flow. Now the next component, that the 4th component that we have to study. All the 3 components till now we have studied. That is, first was the productivity, the second was the decomposition, and third was the energy flow. The pyramid also show the way of energy flow from one trophic level to another, or it shows the relationship between the organism present in different trophic level.